To use live caption to detect speed, played on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and generate caption, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap live caption. And then tap the gray on off switch next to use live caption until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To see how this feature works, you can play a media with a clear audio and you will see that the live caption will detect the speed played in your phone and automatically generate caption.
If I take this action, I can roughly expect this result in this amount of time. But instead, our mind wants to look at,
if needed, you can drag the caption to change the position.
oh, why isn't it happening for me? Something is missing. Am I doing something wrong? What's wrong with me? Maybe I don't deserve it.
Also, live caption will still work even if you mute the media playback.
It becomes so personal. We become so personally involved. We start to really look at
Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.